Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of wireless headsets with the Gixxted V5.3 PC headset. Let's see what sets this headset apart from the rest. First off, let's talk about convenience.
One of the standout features of the Gixxted V5.3 is its humanized smart LED digital power display. No more guessing about battery life. This headset keeps you informed with real-time battery capacity updates, both for the headset itself and its charging base.
But convenience doesn't stop there. Unlike other headsets that rely on wall chargers, the Gixxted V5.3 comes with a charging base equipped with a 750 mAh battery. This means you get an extra 55 hours of talk time or 65 hours of playtime on the go, without the hassle of tangled wires or cluttered charging spaces. And speaking of battery life, the Gixxted V5.3 boasts an impressive 130 hours of total playtime.
Whether you're in back-to-back meetings or jamming out to your favorite tunes, this headset has you covered.
Now let's talk about speed.
Thanks to its fast charging capabilities, the Gixxted V5.3 can go from 0 to fully charged in just 1 hour.
And if you're in a pinch, a quick 10-minute charge gives you a whopping 8 hours of use.
That's efficiency at its finest. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Gixxted V5.3 is its upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology.
Not only does it reduce power consumption for extended battery life,
but it also enhances transmission speed for a low-latency listening experience.
Plus, it makes switching between devices a breeze. And let's not forget about call quality. With AI-enhanced clear calls and CVC 8.0 active noise cancellation, the Gixxted V5.3 ensures that you sound crisp, clear, and professional in any environment. So there you have it, folks. The Gixxted V5.3 PC headset is a powerhouse of convenience, speed, and quality, all wrapped up in a sleek and stylish package. If you're in the market for a reliable wireless headset, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy shopping.